Hello children, now this is your exercise 6.1 fifth sum. They have given that POQ is a line. So this is your line. So we know that this is a straight angle. So they will form 180 degree. Now here you can see ROQ, this box is given. What is the meaning of this box children? That means it is 90 degree. So this full is 180. If this is 90, that means this also will be 90 degree, because 90 plus 90 is only 180 degree. Then they are saying ray OR is perpendicular. Yes, OR is perpendicular to PQ. OS is another ray. They have not told OS is bisecting. They have told just OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. That means there is a ray lying between these two, and that is OS. Prove that ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. Now children, first don't see this as your main sum. Now this is 1 divided by 2. That means if you take this division by 2, this side it will become multiplication. That means 2 times ROS. Now this is gone here. So what is remaining here? Angle QOS minus angle POS. Now we will do the sum according to this, and then we can just transfer it here. So here what do you understand? That you need ROS 2 times, right? So we will work out the sum in that manner. ROS. Now let us think, this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Now how will you get ROS in left hand side? Now don't see this line children, see only this. You can say ROS plus SOP is totally giving you 90 degree. So angle ROS plus angle SOP is giving you 90 degree. But you need ROS. So we will keep angle ROS here and we can say 90 is here. When you transfer, it will become plus, will become minus angle SOP. Now this is your first equation. So you have got one ROS. Now remaining is one more ROS. Now we will concentrate on QOS. QOS. Now how will you get QOS children? QOS is equal to ROS plus ROP, or you can say SOR and ROQ, it is same. So this full comprises of this angle plus this angle. What is that? ROS, that is this angle ROS, and ROQ. And we know that what is ROQ? ROQ is 90 degree. But what do we need? We need ROS. So ROS is equal to, if I bring 90 here, it will become minus 90. So QOS plus 90 will become minus 90. So this is your second equation. Now here also I have got ROS. Now if I add both ROS, I will get 2 times ROS. So angle ROS plus angle ROS. This is adding this left hand side. So I have to add the right hand side also. That is 90 minus angle SOP plus QOS minus 90. Okay. Now 90 minus 90 gets cancelled. ROS plus ROS is 2 times angle ROS. And I will write, see, minus 3 plus 4 can also be written as 4 minus 3. You can change it because minus 3 plus 4 is also 1. 4 minus 3 is also 1. So I am just bringing plus sign first. QOS minus. Now SOP. What is SOP children? SOP can also be written as POS. POS. So this 2 is multiplied here. So when I take this side, it will become division. So 2 by 1 will become half, and then QOS minus POS. This is what they have asked us to do. So you understood how we have to read the sum and how we should find out. Hope it is easy, children.